Okay, so now let's get you over into the settings section. So this is where the employee information is controlled. Some of the integration. So there's settings here at the bottom, and here, and this is going to have your basic information when you come in here, company information, which was probably, it should have already been here when you open the account. Then there you have there's a staff section. So here there's the email address and the phone number. Now this is where this should be a cell phone number, because if you're going to, whoever this employee is, if you're going to be if they're going to be one of the ones that get text messages about the leads and so forth, you want that in here in the email. Then you can easily in here, if you wanted to add somebody in here, just user info, you could put an image, their name, last name, email address, phone number. You can create a password so they have their own login information. The calendar, you could create a calendar for them. If it's a nurse or something, you can create a calendar for them as well. What calendar they're going to be using, the roles. User is the default, so pretty much everyone should be a user. Permissions, what they can work on. So all that's in here, availability and so forth. So this is where you can control that part of adding people in here. Pipelines, that's already going to be pre-filled. That's just the MedSpa pipeline, which we already built for you. Business information profile, that's what we just showed you. Calendars, phone numbers, we should have in here. This should create a phone number tracking for you, or in the onboard process, we'll get a phone number for you. So that's going to be here. You add a number, you can click here, and then you usually put in the area code of where you're at or nearby. Sometimes they're filled, and then you can do a search as number one found, but there'll be numbers in here that you can pick. Let's try a different one. Let's see, search 432. Yeah, so then you can pick a number, and then that'll add your 40. And then once you have your phone number, then you can enter the phone number that you want to forward it to. So this would usually be like your main line, or if some reason maybe you want these leads, these phone calls to go to somebody else, whatever the case may be. This is where outside call center, whatever it is, but this is where you control where those go in here. So that's the main thing. What else in here? Some of these things you're not going to be really using too much. Reputation management. So this is, remember those workflows that I showed you that you're going to get sent out a request, leave a positive review. It could be here. If your Google account is integrated, you just get this generate link, and then it's going to give that to you, so you can customize. Recommend. So this is where Facebook, same thing. Feedbook, yeah. So there you go. So that's through here. Integrations, and this is basically just your integrations that we have, and this is all in your Launchpad area. So you can see something's connected. So remember, in that Launchpad section, you should come in here. This is, if it's already connected, you connect to your Facebook page, it's going to show connected. Your Google business page, it's going to show connected. All that stuff's going to show connected in here, and this stuff's already going to be set up for you as part of the way it's. So there really isn't anything else for in here that you need to do. Domains, there's going to be another thing. These are domains for your landing pages. So there's going to be a unique domain for each one. So there's going to be a separate video for that, but this is where they're going to be. So you can add a domain in here, but we're going to show you a quick video on that, where to do that, so you can set it up for your landing pages. So that's that part for the settings.